Today we're going to check out the extended front splitters that you could put on your C8, Z06, or E-Ray. So let's go check it out in this video. So thanks for tuning in, guys, and like I said, we are going to be checking out this extended front splitter that you can put on your C8, Z06, or E-Ray. It comes from Extreme Online Store, or EOS for short, and sells for about $1,100 just for the front splitter, and then $500 more if you wanted the Canards to go with it, which is an exceptional deal for all this carbon fiber pieces that you're getting. Now, this is the extended front splitter version. It's not like the typical OEM Z07 package type front splitter that you would see on most Z06s and E-Rays for that matter. This one has it that it sticks out a little bit more than the regular front splitter. It extends out a little bit more by about 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch. I'll have an exact measurement once I get the OEM pieces off of my Z06 that I currently have on, and I can do that difference. But essentially, this is going to give you a much more aggressive look on the front end, especially from that front splitter. That front splitter, while it definitely does stick out quite a bit, I wish it was a little bit more aggressive. I like, obviously, if you see my Z06, I like a very aggressive, a very modded kind of Z06 type look. So this is going to fit the bill very well for that kind of deal. So I'm very much looking forward to installing this onto my car and like showing you guys how it looks. Overall, not bad of a price for this fully carbon fiber front splitter that comes in a 3-piece. And you see it right here. You have your side pieces right here along with that front splitter, piece right here. Now, the front splitter in particular has that center cut design where it splits off from one side, gives you like that herringbone type of pattern kind of deal, which look really, really nice. Definitely if you have that kind of style going along where you have that seam right in down the middle, this is going to continue that look. And all of these pieces are going to be able to fit directly onto your C8, Z06, or E-Ray. Now, the Canards themselves are not extended. It is just simply the front splitter that has that extra bit of length on the front end kind of deal. So these Canards are going to fit exactly like the Canards I have on. So I'm not going to replace the Canards because they're the exact same ones. But again, in theory, if you already have, let's say, some Z07 front splitters, but you want a little bit more of an aggressive look, you could just get the front splitter, the XL, for that lack of better terms. Now, actually, I just recently did a full how to install video on how to install not only the front splitters, but these Canards. If you're interested in seeing how it would look, if you're trying to do it DIY, it is definitely possible. Just make sure you have the right set of tools. And that video is going to be especially useful if you're going to install not only the front splitter, but the Canards as well. The Canards, you got to drill slots into the front bumper, which could be kind of a little bit nerve-wracking depending on your level of experience. But if you do order the Canards, it comes with a template that you can use basically, so you have a guide to tell you exactly where you should be making those slots. And again, my how-to video will show you step-by-step on how to do that. Now, on top of that, it does come with all the hardware that you would need in order to do this install. Some 3M double-sided tape for at least joining the side pieces of the front splitter along with the centerpiece. So pretty much everything that you need to get this like going and get it installed onto your car. So I'm really excited to get this like extra more aggressive stance from this front splitter and put it on the Z06. I think is going to really complete the look on the front end. So I'm super stoked that I was able to get this piece from EOS and just, you know, share it with you guys. So, and the finish on this is really, really good. I would give this a solid B+ to A- on here. There's a few little imperfections that could just use a little bit of buffing on all of these. But frankly, for what you're getting and the price point compared to other things out on the market, it is the best bang for your buck that you can get. So I definitely like and appreciate all this carbon fiber pieces. And again, these are full carbon fiber pieces. I mean, you look at the carbon fiber on here and then you can look on the inside. The inside of this as well is carbon fiber. It's all one single piece of carbon fiber kind of deal. So very lightweight, very strong. Is going to do the job exceptionally well. So okay, let's go ahead and get this front splitter installed in the car and let's show you how it really looks. So alright guys, so we have finished installing the new front splitter onto the C8 Z06 and it is looking freaking amazing. Now the install was actually not bad at all. I would give the fitting a good solid A on this. It was actually a breeze to put on. And frankly, because I only had to do the front splitter, I didn't have to take that front bumper off or anything like that to, you know, try to get it all to fit, which was honestly a relief to me that I didn't have to put that extra bit of effort. So definitely props to EOS for the easy fitment of this. It looks great, it fits great, and yeah, it just gives that more like aggressive look on the front end that I was looking for. I mean, the front splitter before was looking pretty good, but this is what I was really looking for. So I definitely would recommend this piece as an option for my friends that have Z06s or E-Rays. This is gonna fit and it's gonna look amazing. So again, if you are interested to purchase this, I'll have links in the description so you can check it out. And if you are thinking about putting this on yourself, I do have a how-to install video that you can check out that goes through both how to install the front splitter and the canards if you haven't done that already, kind of deal. So yeah, with that being said, I think that is going to wrap up today's video. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please check out any of my other videos and we'll see you next time. Take care, guys.